Hey guys, Dan from Lencco Performance. Today we've got a 1972 Rupp Sprint engine on the dyno. Fresh rebuild. We're going to see what she does. Got her hooked up to our dynamite. We'll take it from there. First we're going to warm it up. Okay, now we're ready to do a pull. We're going to set our dyno up. Let's see what we got here. 0 watt torque arm. Trigger speed 5200 RPM. Minimum horsepower 3.2. That'll start recording. 1000 RPMs minimum. 1-to-1 ratio. Temperature outside. 78% humidity. Barometric, and we're going to do a pull. Let's put her in test mode. Here we go.